Kiddos. Kiddos provides a safe platform for kids' content. Actually, it's a kind of what we call a closed garden with secured, safe and checked contents for kids. In addition to that, when people that develop or or content owners can add their contents into the platform, then of course it is been checked, verified, tagged and added into the platform. In addition to that, the offering contains two other things. One is a recommendation platform, recommendation system that actually again learns what are the favorites contents of the kids, of any kid, and recommends related or other contents that the kid may like. And the second thing is what we call the bring your own device, or for instance kids are using their parents' devices, so you want to create two personalities on the same device, so the kid would not be able to access the parents' contents, and this is another part of the solution of Kiddos. The Kiddos are looking first of all for operators, then for device manufacturers, mainly of smartphones and tablets, that will embed it into their solutions. They are looking for digital publishers, for website portals, and of course for developers of kids' content and publishers of kids' content.